So I saw this super simple recipe idea on Instagram a while back, just scrolling through. I don't even remember where I saw it, but it's just a very simple recipe of zucchini air fryer pizza bites. Air fryer zucchini pizza bites. And we have lots of zucchini from the garden right now. And I also went out and got some fresh oregano and fresh basil, which smells amazing. So I thought that would be a fun little recipe to try. Other ingredients: pepperoni, some olives, mozzarella cheese. Of course, you could add any pizza toppings that you like, whatever floats your boat. I'm just adding some salt and pepper along with that basil and oregano, and it was just a can of organic tomato sauce that I used. I'm going to use my new Omni Pro, Instant Omni Pro oven. So this is the basket that goes with it. I'm just going to fill this up with the zucchini bites. So the size of zucchini, I'm thinking it's going to be best if it's just a little bit bigger than a pepperoni size, because I'm going to put one pepperoni on each one. You wouldn't want them to be too tiny. If they were much bigger, you could probably add a couple pepperonis on there if you wanted to. But if you want it to be little bites, then just get them about the size of pepperonis or a little bit bigger. What are you doing?
Watching.
Yeah? Do they think they look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll see. We'll see what you think. They're definitely low carb.
Can I have a cucumber?
Oh my goodness. These are not cucumbers, baby. They are zucchinis.
Oh.
Now we're going to do just a little dollop of sauce and then a little sprinkle of cheese on each one. I was thinking it probably would work the best to have little slices or cubes of cheese instead of shredded, but all I had was shredded, so that's what we're gonna do. So for a cook time, I'm not really sure how long it's going to take exactly, but I was going to try, what was I going to try? Maybe 6 minutes. Maybe I'll put it on for 8 minutes, but I'll keep an eye on it. This does not slide in very easily. I can't do it one-handed. That's one thing I don't really care for about this oven. There we go. Got it. 8 minutes, 400 degrees, air fry, convection fan high. Start. So 8 minutes seemed to be enough. I checked them a couple of times. Ooh, those look good. Not too mushy. I was not wanting them to be too mushy. So that seems to be perfect. Are you going to be my taste tester, Renee?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and grab one. I just tasted one. They weren't too hot, so you should be able to be all right. Not burn the roof of your mouth.
I tasted it.
What do you think?
Kind of like it, kind of.
What?
Kind of like it, kind of don't.
Oh, why do you not like it?
Because the zucchini.
Because of the zucchini, yeah. And why do you like it?
Because I love pepperoni and cheese.
Because you love pepperoni and cheese. All right, that's a good review. Grab one, Tal, see what you think. Of course, Talia picks one with an olive.
Why not?
Pop the whole thing in your mouth. It's like a sushi. I will say all of the kids are not huge fans of zucchini, so take that into consideration.
It's alright, but I'm just not a big fan of zucchini.
Yeah. Renee said she liked the pepperoni and cheese and she didn't like the zucchini.
Well, yeah.
That makes sense, right?
We have to pull that off.
You got to have a vehicle
I'm gonna wash my
for your pepperoni and cheese. All right, Charity, you ready to try it?
No.
I thought you were going to try some.
I didn't want to.
Oh, are you going to try some on them?
Yeah.
Don't want to be on camera.
It's like a zucchini pizza sushi, right?
I agree with Renee.
Yeah.
You like the pepperoni and cheese,
Yeah.
you don't care for the zucchini.
The texture of zucchinis are very good.
Yeah, okay. It's no crust, I'll give you that.
No.
You gonna eat it?
I'm gonna take off this.
No. You gotta eat the zucchini. You stinker. All right, so if you are eating low carb, you might really enjoy these. If you're not eating low carb, you might not. If you're not a fan of zucchini, you might not like them. But if you're looking for a vehicle for your cheese and pepperoni, and you don't want to have all the starch of a regular crust, you might just give it a try. Autumn made another one, and she said they're pretty good. So you can take that to the bank.
And I'm hungry!
When you're hungry, things taste better, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So Levi, what do you think of those pizza bites?
Good.
Yeah? Which one is your favorite?
Down.
Yeah?
Down.
Do you like the ones with olives or no olives?
I like them with olive.
You like them with olives?
Yeah.
Yeah, olives are yummy.
These are two pepperonis.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Hilarious.
Mama, put another pepperoni on there.
No, that's like the crust, and so you put it like this, and then it's like a pizza.
Oh.
Go ahead. Can you try it? You've already eaten like 2, so I know you like them.
And there's some cheese in it.
It has cheese and sauce. It's all the good pizza stuff. How many thumbs up do you give it?
3.
3?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good amount. That must mean you really like it, right? Right?
No. And this is not messy.
And getting all messy.
Yeah, this is messy from this.
Yeah, well, that happens when you eat pizza, so there you go. Of course, that happens when you eat anything. You can make anything a mess, can't you?
Yeah.
Yep.